I'm sorry.
I do. I got yeast roll, cornbread, and white bread. Yep. Half rack or full rack?
Oh, that is so good. If y'all don't know, that is so good.
Cornbread and yeast roll. Yeah, I thought I wanted to teach you first.
That is huge. You don't have like a small one?
No.
That's what it is. Thank you.
That is cute.
They've got come forward. For the same time. Okay, hold on one sec.
That's beautiful. Can we sit outside?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
$28.36. Thank y'all.
All right, so this is an order of the mozzarella sticks. Look at these are like logs. I mean, here's just compared to my hand. Huge. You ready to try it? Yes. Wait. Let's see the inside. Look at that cheese pull.
I got this one. Yeah, the one.
Be careful, it's probably hot. How far can you pull your cheese? Let's see what Joss thinks. Here, let me help you. Oh, I mean that was a good, almost.
Really?
The cheese pulls on these are ridiculous. Very good. What do you think, Mason? Very good. Let me switch it again.
You done had your 2 pieces.
What do y'all think, girls? That's good. Yeah, definitely good.
For sure. Alright, so I got fried chicken with mashed potatoes with gravy and cornbread, and then they gave
Zoom in on that chicken there.
yeah, and then they gave me onion as a
And you got what? That's a cornbread?
yes. I will break it open.
Alright, now Macy, what did you get?
Chicken with mashed potatoes and a piece of cornbread. No,
That's a yeast roll.
or yeast roll.
Yeah.
I got the same thing as that one, but I get
Alright. And what did Honey get?
Ribs, mashed potato, macaroni and cheese, and a yeast roll.
Alright. Alright, I got 3 chicken tenders, mashed potatoes, green beans, sweet potato souffle, cornbread, and a green onion. right, so
Darn
we
it.
have fit.
You better restart that. Yeah.
All right, retake. So we just finished eating a late lunch here at Tony Gore's Smoky Mountain Barbecue and Grill. So here we go. We'll hold it up to the camera so you can see. It's probably backwards. So I was kind of sidetracked. So Corey and the girls went inside to order the food. So we're sitting outside, or we were standing outside, and the girls, Jocelyn and Macy, were walking the dogs, and I started talking to this gentleman outside, and he said, he's like, I will babysit and hold them while y'all go in and get your food, and then come outside and eat with them. So I got to talking to him, and he introduced himself. He was Tony Gore himself, the owner. So we got to talking about the dogs, which I completely got sidetracked, and Corey was hollering at me to come order the food. But he also raises Frenchies, has English Bulldogs, has Boston Terriers, a few squirrels, chickens, and I don't know. He's an animal lover just like me. We were like two peas in a pod. So fast forward that. We go in, we order our food. So how you can order is they have it's kind of like cafeteria style. They have a cold bar to where they have like little salads, like pasta salads, banana pudding, deviled eggs, things like that. Oh, I probably could have got deviled eggs as a side. I didn't think about that. And then the next to it, they have a hot bar. So they have everything from chicken tenders, chicken livers, ribs, fried chicken,
Grilled chicken,
collard
meatloaf.
greens. Yeah, meatloaf, collard greens, mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese, sweet potatoes, casserole. I don't know, a whole slew of things. Green beans, French style green beans. What else?
Oh, I don't know.
What?
I don't know what else.
So you can order your meat. So you can choose 1, 2, or 3 sides. One side was $15, 2 sides $18, and 3 sides is $21. So I got confused, and I thought he was asking me if I wanted 1, 2, or 3 chicken tenders, and I said 3 chicken tenders. And he kind of looked at me. I didn't realize he was asking me how many sides I wanted. So that was my mistake. I should have read. Anyways. So, I don't even remember what all we got. As far as side-wise. We've tried quite a few of the sides.
Mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese, green beans, sweet potatoes. That's it. That's what
Yeah.
we tried.
So the girls got chicken legs.
Oh, and he brung me out the pork.
Oh, yeah. What did he call that? It's like burnt ends in a...
Candy pig.
Yeah. So he says they actually make that like a twice baked potato with that over it. It was delicious. Like Macy and I actually drank the sauce, the juice. So yeah. Hold on. Okay, we're back in business. So everybody was happy. Out of 1 out of 10, everybody rate their food.
A 9.
A 10. A 20.
That's not a choice, Jocelyn.
A 10.
10?
Yeah.
I would definitely say it was like 9.5. It was really dang good. They do have Pepsi products. They had several different barbecue sauces to choose from. They had honey, jelly, butter. And that was about as far. Oh, they did. They had mayonnaise, ketchup, hot sauces, and things like that to try for your food and things like that. Our meal all together for all 4 of us and drinks. Oh, and we got the mozzarella.
No.
The mozzarella logs. Those things, they were huge. I mean, they were like huge. They were very good. Homemade. Those were not sticks. They were logs. That was my favorite out of everything. Anyway, so our meals, our 4 meals, our drinks, and all that, it totaled $110. But after we started looking at the menu, the take-home menu, they have different like family style meals that you can pick from.
Yeah,
You can
this page right here is probably the main one they need to see.
Okay. So there on the bottom, you can choose 4 meats. You get 2 pint size sides, and it's $42. 3 meats is $38. 2 meats is $30. So in the long run, and their portions are huge. So in the long run, I think if we will come back. We would order something like the family meal on the bottom, and then a side of the cheese mozzarella sticks. So would we return? Yes. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel. Bye guys.